welcome to my YouTube channel. Kamada. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do subscribe, like, comment and share. And on today's video, I'll be taking you on my 2-bedroom house tour before I do any makeover. And let's start. I don't want to waste a lot of time explaining everything. Just start. So this is the entrance, this is the door, and there is this mat. It's a small mat, and this curtain, door curtain, I love it because it's have shades of blue and white and a bit of golden, and it runs from up to down in this blue door curtain still. Up hivyo juu pia bado there is that also blue curtain and a white chair. And this is my color theme of my house. It's blue, mostly in the living room. So afterwards kuna this puff. Yeah, I renovated it. If you checked on my bed sitter apartment tour, it was brown, so I decided to blend with green, and it was around kufanywa yote 2000, the two puffs. And this chair, this beautiful awesome chair, yeah, it's a 3-seater and I like it how it is, and it's a favorite spot. I got it at 20,000, custom made. It came ikakuja na this throw pillows, and I decided to blend with yellow and this color. Down I have this mat. No, this one is now the one that I can call a carpet because it's a bit long. It runs kutoka hapa mpaka huko mwisho kabisa, and I like it because it makes the house warm. Then there is this table over here. Actually, this is a wine holder. Kusota nayo sina wine hapo hivyo. Then there is this dark. This I usually keep my ufunguo. I don't have that speaker, but I'm going to put it over here ya kuweka. This is my graduation photo with my dad, and I like it. And this still, like, I've literally not done anything. I just decided just to take you around before I start doing the makeover. Now this is my home theater, and actually I just want to change this like maker. I just want to later hizi naona ni za 13,000. I just want to buy that TV stand. Plus the reason why I want to change, as you can see, my TV doesn't fit so well on this, and I don't want to mount anything on the wall. So imefanya tu, I'll just think of buying something gray and black. And you can see the home theater over there. There is not much a lot in here. I was charging my phone. Alafu tena kuna this book that I usually write, anything that I feel like writing. The water bottle, I took it from home. And then my Vitron 43-inch. Up there is that lighting, bado sijanunua light ya hapo na pia there. And I love the colors of the sitting room. Besties, what do you think about it? And next there is this like kakitanda, another seat. It was brown in color, and I just decided to, actually this is where I usually sleep if I don't want to go to the bed, because it has got a socket over here. There are 2 sockets, and also over here. So my friends, mostly when they come, they usually love sitting kwa hiyo kiti. Mimi napenda hapa juu nitalala. Plus you can see the duvet and also another pillow plus this. So I would say this is my favorite chilling place. This is my friend's favorite chilling place if they come to visit this place. And too bad besties, you can see this nikichomelea. Okay, as you can see over here, like this chair haikuweza kuingia, so I had to kung'oa hizo vitu, so akichomelea ikachoma hapa, but anyway, it's not a big thing. Yeah, that's it. So let me just take it, and then plus this puff, the other puff, and that's my living room. Those are the sockets. That's the door leading to other rooms. Let me just take you slowly so that you can see the overview of it all, and tell me what you think about it, sweetheart. Did you like it or not? Or what should I change? What should I bring forth? Yes, you can just comment down and tell me what do you think of my living room. So let's go, cause sijaweka mat in the bed. The good thing is inakuja na this. Let's open up. So we'll first go this. So as you can see, besties, there is a hallway. From there, this shoe rack. From there, 2 doors, hallway, and then there is another door over here. Then there is this door leading to the kitchen. So let's go like this. On my right, the 3 sockets. This is the shower one. This is my doll. Actually, this is my towel, and these are my friends' towel. If any friend comes to visit, I have them packed there. These where I usually store my medicine, and I would say it's like a small hospital over here. You can see bandage, pads. These are kind of, I usually don't use it. There's this hand sanitizer. So I would say this is a small hospital package, and this leads to the kitchen. Taurus. So this is the kitchen. This is the mat. Definitely nikipika, I don't want to feel any baridi, so I have this mat, my non-stick pots, cooking pots, then this, and next I have this chair. This is where I usually sit and eat from here, or if I want to chill na huko kwa kubask, I just use this chair. And I have this where I put my onions, tomatoes, avocado. I'm supposed to cook ugali with skuma. These my fruits, serviettes, and these my all-time drum where I store my water hata kama huku maji ipotei, my token. And then leading to this, there is this beautiful mat down there. Isn't John ilianzianga nazo life, these plastic things that you can see over there. That's it. Ile mtungi bado iko na maji. These I usually store my paper bags. If I want to go get something, these I usually store them. This is the sink. Yeah, the sink is a bit small, but we are using it. We're still using it regardless. So as you can see, these I put my stuffs za kupika. I don't have a lot, but that's it. This is vyombo. I can see spider amekuja kunitembelea. Haven't like washed anything. This is how it's looking from a far end. On top I have this uko. This is where I usually store like my food stuffs and all those stuffs, more and more. And that's it. So let me just take you around so you can see how it's looking like. Do you think it's spacious? This I place my broom, kitu ya kutia takataka. That's it. Comment down below and tell me what you think of this small kitchen of mine. Yep. What should I change? What should I not change? So next we have this balcony, big balcony. Sijafanya clean up, as you can see it's dirty over there, but I'll definitely do the cleanup. Nilihama tu majuzi, so I've not done much. Easy place za kuosha. This is where I usually put my waste ya kuosha. And this is it. This tap, it has water, and then there's I hang my clothes. Then there's a bulb over there, and then I can see the surrounding, and then you can see that hill over there is it's not a hill, it's a mountain, Mount Kilimambogo. That one over there, and you can see all around. Yeah, guess of this place. Guess of the place that I am in. Comment down below and tell me where I am. So let's go. Next you're going to my washroom. This is my washroom, besties. It has a blue bulb thingy. This is my old time nikiwa high school slippers, kanyaga, my hand wash, and then there is this awesome mirror, bado sijaeka shower, and then it's like that. Yeah, my dolly and all those stuff things. It's got my toilet paper, tissue, and then it's like that. See, what do you think? And there is water all time, as I told you. All time, always. Nanani hutumia kuoga. I love using this. So if I use any other, I don't feel ni kama like nimeoga vizuri. I feel as if I still have that. This is where I put my cleaning thingies, my shoe rack. It's an old shoe rack from 2019. And Turus, let's get into the bedroom. So let's wash up. Kingia tu kwa bedroom, there is this key. So nikilala nafunganga na huko nje. Then this mirror nafaa kuimount, and this it has a light. Nafaa kuimount hii. So nimekelea kapilo kingine hapa. This is a small mat. I usually step on it. I actually would say it's my praying area still. Malineka nguo chafu. That's the window. Then there's my bed. Small bed. Yep. Small bed. And pale bado nafaa kuweka bulb ingine for the lighting. Hapa naika tu vitu kama tu my Bible, as in just check, and I like it. It has sockets. That's the wardrobe. Nafaa kununua nini hizi kuhang, so that I hang my jackets, my clothes. I really don't have a lot of clothes. Uko juu, those are my sisters. Those are my beddings inside. Then that's it. It's so simple like me. Next, let's go to the other bedroom. Let me just show you a quick one. That's it. So let's go to the next room. Next room is two rows. Now this is my studio place, like where I'll be doing my live. Let me wash her. This I'll be doing my live, some shots, like it's so hapa nafaa kuja kumalizia kutengeneza, fixing this socket. This is like a waiting area, like a chilling place for me. I've chilled. This is where I've placed this seat. This is my laptop, and that's it. It's like more of a studio and more of a workplace, and that's it. So I've placed my jewelry over there, and then some decors. I usually love decors, so I just wanted this place to be beautiful, and I have to mount this because I haven't mounted that. And then that's it. My two ring lights. And as you remember, my bed sitter nilikuanga na hii, and it's not fitting up to here, but it's still serving its purpose. Yep. And the seats, working place stroke a studio place that I will be doing my pictures, videos, TikToks and all that. And if you have not yet followed me on my TikTok, just follow me at Shikopol1, Instagram at Shikopol, as Shiko_Paul. Then that's it. This is just comment and tell me what you think of this place. Till we meet again. Bye.